three large onions, fresh pepper, and fresh tomatoes. The fresh tomatoes is not going to be much like that, just little to add to the flavor, but plenty atarodo. As you can see, this is African spinach, Efo Shoko, and this is local Efo Shoko, not fertilized Efo Shoko. So we have to steam it a little by adding hot water. They will now cover it. So 4 times. So you can wash as many times as you want, depending on how dirty the vegetable is. But I washed mine 3 times after bringing it out from the hot water. This is the vegetable. Of course, goat meat, smoked goat meat. We have seasoning cubes, chicken seasoning cubes. You can use any one of your choice, but for this video, we are using chicken seasoning cube. We have our prawns. We have crayfish, blended crayfish, sliced onions, palm oil, and of course, iru. Then we have our Panla, kika. We have salt to taste. We have Ponmo, well washed. We have the ones that we cut out for normal protein, served to the meal. Then this one, we cut it into small. Also for the Panla, big bear, the smoked fish Panla, we have the cutouts. Then this is Stockfish. We have steamed it with warm water and salt. Then our blended pepper, parboiled. Of course, our swallow, yet to be grinded into Tuwo. Thank you. Firstly, you add your palm oil, allow it to bleach for say 2 to 5 minutes. So inside now you can see we have the diced onions and the locust beans. Then you just gently stir it together and allow it to fry a little. Of course, after the locust bean and the onions are fried a little, then add your blended pepper. Remember, we parboil the pepper, but it's not compulsory. Of course, you can use it even without parboiling. Then stir in our brown skin, Ponmo, cow skin. Then of course crayfish, stockfish, smoked fish. This is Panla kika. Okay. And the Ponmo. Seasoning. And salt.
Everything.
Smoked Panla. Then you can see what is happening here. Gradually, just adding the washed vegetable. Gently. Mix the vegetable together with it. Can you see what we have here? This is our Efo Riro ready for packaging. Let's go get our swallows. Rice after soaking for about 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. So this is our rice grinded. Can you see? After grinding the tuwo, which is rice, we're making tuwo chinkafa, of course, as our swallow. Now after grinding into paste, of course, remember we soaked it overnight and we washed it thoroughly, and now it's grinded. So you must make sure you mix it and no lumps. Some water inside the pot. Just turn it directly and begin to stir. Inside the cooking pot or any pot you are using, or in this video, of course, we are using iron pots. We added little water, and the water, of course, was already boiling before we added the paste. And once you added the paste, you continue stirring. Make sure you stir that it does not have any lumps. Say hi. Tell your viewers hi. Wow. Oh, fun guest. Please hello. Say hello to our viewers. This is our Tuwo wrapped neatly. Then of course, Efo Riro ready to be served. Can you see how beautiful it is looking? Now here we have our Ponmo, Shaki, Jakika. Oh my God. A dog. Roundabout. Everything rishi inside. Even if it's just one. Let's hear what our guests will say after tasting this meal, delicious meal.
Very nice.
The salt, pepper.
Normal.
Wow. Stockfish, thanks for
Thank
coming.
you so much.
We are grateful for having you. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank
Really
you very
appreciate
much.
you. Thank you so much. We love you. Thank you, viewers.